Have you ever wondered how photographers capture a hummingbird's wings frozen in midair? Or capture city lights in those dreamy nighttime exposures? Shutter speed is the superpower. And today, I'm going to show you how to use it to take your photos from meh to marvelous. Let's get to it. Shutter speed is basically how long your camera's shutter stays open when you take a picture. Think of it as your camera's eyelid. A fast blink, you freeze the moment. A slow blink, you let motion paint across your photo. And just like ISO and aperture, shutter speed is part of the famous exposure triangle. If you want to freeze a flying soccer ball or stop water droplets mid-splash, you'll need a fast shutter speed, something like 1/1000th of a second or even faster. The shorter the time the shutter is open, the less chance there is for movement to sneak in. So, action shots? Fast shutter speeds are your best friend. But sometimes blur is beautiful. Slow down that shutter, say 1/30th of a second, a whole second or even longer, and suddenly you can turn moving cars into glowing streaks of light and create that silky waterfall effect. Pro tip, you'll want to use a tripod here, unless you enjoy unintentionally abstract art. Shutter speed doesn't just control motion, it also controls how much light hits your sensor. Leave it open longer, more light floods in, hence a brighter photo. Keep it fast, less light, or a darker photo. That's why it's one side of the exposure triangle, working together with aperture and ISO. Balancing these three is how you get properly exposed photos without sacrificing creativity. So, remember, fast shutter speed freezes time. Slow shutter speed shows motion, and every choice affects your exposure. Master this and you'll have full control over how your photos tell a story. Now go experiment. Try to capture your dog mid-jump, or capture the magic of those nighttime city lights. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more photo hacks, or drop a comment about your favorite shutter speed trick. Until next time, keep clicking.